So for this problem, to evaluate the integral using the U-substitution, so from this given, so first we let U equals this equation inside the parentheses, so 3x minus 5. Then we need to find the derivative of U. So the derivative of 3x minus 5, this one is 3dx. Then to solve for dx, so divide both sides by 3. So therefore, du over 3 is equal to dx. Then observe from this given, this 3x minus 5 is equal to u, and dx is equal to du over 3. Now take note that we still have problem for x. So therefore, we need to solve for x from this equation. So this becomes u. Transpose this negative 5 to the other side to solve for x. So u plus 5 equals 3x. Then again, to solve for x, divide both sides by 3. So therefore, u plus 5 over 3 is equal to x. Then from this, we can apply now the u substitution. So this given becomes the integral. So this 3x minus 5 is equal to u. So we have u to the power 5. Then for x, and x is equal to u plus 5 over 3. So times u plus 5 over 3. Then for dx, so dx is equal to du over 3. So times du over 3. Then to simplify, so we need to put the constant outside. So multiply this 3 times 3. This one is 9, since 9 is the denominator. So therefore, we need to put 1 over 9 outside. Then we have now the integral of u to the power 5. Then times u plus 5 times du. Then simplify. So this becomes 1 over 9. Then the integral. So multiply. This becomes u to the power 6. Multiply. So plus 5 u to the power 5 times du. Then we need to integrate every terms. So bring down 1 over 9, then times the integral of u to the power 6. So distribute this du, then plus, put the constant outside, then we have the integral of u to the power 5, then du. Then apply now the formula to find the integral of u du. So bring down 1 over 9, then times. So just add 1 for the exponent. So this becomes u to the power 7, then over 7, then plus. Bring down the constant, then times. Again, plus 1 for the exponent. So u to the power 6 over 6. Then plus c. Then simplify. So replace now u by this value. So u is equal to 3x minus 5. So this becomes 1 over 9, then times. So we have 1 over 7, and u is equal to 3x minus 5, then to the power 7, then plus for this term. So this is 5 over 6, and u u is 3x minus 5, then to the power 6, then plus c. Then this time, multiply this 1 over 9 to every terms. So this becomes 1 over 9 times 7. This one is 63. Then 3x minus 5 to the power 7. Then plus, multiply. So this is 5 over 9 times 6. That's 54. Then 3x minus 5 to the power 6, then plus c. So this is now the integral.